Hi guys, Will here from WB Trading and welcome back. If you are new to the channel, please do hit that subscribe button and tap the bell icon so that you don't miss any of the free content that I share with the trading community here on YouTube. So I was watching a video over on, in one of my opinion, the best trading education channels that there is here on YouTube, and that's the SMB Capital channel, which represents the proprietary trading firm over in New York. And in particular, I was watching an interview that they did with Dr. Brett Steenbarger, the well-known and well-respected trader and trading psychology expert. And within the interview, one thing that really stood out and really rang home and resonated with me was a part of the interview where he expanded on the importance of trading education. And not just trading education, but the importance of education, whatever the field you're trying to become better in and build a career in, really. And I wanted to share just a really short excerpt from the interview with you here today on the channel because I'm hoping it'll impact a few of you, add value for a few of you, and hopefully it'll help you to understand the importance of proper education. Now, before I play the short clip for you, I've said this before and I carry on saying it, but for me, education was just without a doubt the key turning point within my trading that took me from not really knowing what I was doing to, long story short, being able to understand trading as a whole, to begin trading profitably, to understand and gain edge, and also to be able to build my own strategies too. And without paying for education, there's just no way I'd be here today. There's just no way. Proper education cuts down the learning curve dramatically. It allows you to skip right ahead, and it allows you to skip the inevitable mistakes too, which, as we all know, can be very costly. Anyway, I'll stop talking for now and let me play the clip of Dr. Steenbarger expanding on his opinion of why he believes proper trading education is make or break for newer traders. And just before I play the clip, I'd just like to say thank you to SMB Capital for putting the interview together and sharing it. It really is a great interview, and I'll link to both the SMB Capital channel and the full interview in the description of this video for those who'd like to head over there and watch the whole thing. So with that, let's play the clip. Enjoy.
The third quality that you picked up on is that the world's greatest traders have all been willing to and have in fact learned from mentors and other great traders. That's really very interesting because some people might think that the world's greatest traders are cocky, brilliant guys who were just born that way and didn't have to be humble and accept that someone else may actually know a little bit more than they do. But apparently that's not the case, is it, Dr. S? So why then is having worked with a mentor, or as you have said in some cases, multiple members, so consistently present in great traders? I mean, are there any guys who just become great without having worked with anyone at all?
What we see in every performance field is that mentoring is the dominant path to success. Wow. So let's think about someone who becomes an Olympic professional. Are they really going to train and work out at home by themselves and suddenly enter the Olympics? I don't think so. Let's talk about chess champions. How do they learn? How do they grow? Well, they belong to chess clubs and they receive mentoring from chess masters and grandmasters. Look at the development of artists in art studios. Do they just start painting by themselves with no external input? No, they learn from the masters. So it's across fields. As you know, I teach in a medical school. And in medicine, what do? You take courses, but you follow different physicians, you observe what they do, you learn what they do, you do different rotations, and so you have many mentors who show you firsthand the how-tos. If you don't have the background yourself, you can't suddenly come up with the how-tos yourself. Can I sit at home, read books, and become a skilled surgeon? No way. It's the same thing with trading. You need the example of the successful trader to learn from and learn with, and that's why the development rate, the percentage of successful development cases is so much higher at hedge funds where the junior people are right on the desk learning with the portfolio manager than in independent trading where people are trying to learn on their own at home.
It's the old master-apprentice concept, right?
Absolutely.
The same principles at play, whether
Absolutely.
it's blacksmithing or trading.
Blacksmithing or trading, if I want to be a skilled plumber, I'm not going to just on my own start hacking away with tools on my own sink.
Right.
No.
Yeah. I always tell people, you're not going to become a great golfer by reading books on golf, right?
That's right. Yeah. That's right. Or just by going out to a golf course by yourself and swinging away. You know, we need instruction. We're not born with those skills, and skill development is a process itself that needs to be structured and modeled by someone knowledgeable.
It's interesting. What this brings to mind, when I first started trading options, I was a member of an options trading community, and I got a tremendous amount out, not from my main mentor, but more so from the other guys in the community who were clearly advanced traders. Right. And I formed relationships with these people, and we worked together, and it was effectively a mentoring process going on, even though I'm not sure I would have called it that at that point.
But it's role modeling, right. It's mutual learning. You're learning from the mistakes and successes of others, and it just accelerates your learning curve. We see this consistently in the trading world.
So interesting.